Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the mixer and Mac. Now start the connection. First, connect the mixer to the audio interface or directly via USB. Make sure the interface is powered and sample rates match, 44. 1K Hz or 48K Hz is fine. Once done, open Logic Pro Preferences and set the audio device to the mixer or interface. This step ensures Logic receives the signal at the correct latency and bit depth, so you avoid clicks and synchronization. Now build the routing inside Logic. Create stereo or mono audio tracks and assign each track's input to the mixer channel you want to record. Use input monitoring to hear the incoming signal, lower buffer size while tracking for low latency, then increase it for mixing. Once you map channels, arm the tracks for recording and verify levels. Aim for peaks around -6 dB. Also create an auxiliary bus for monitor mixes, so performers get a separate mix without affecting the main recording. Record a short test take and listen critically. You want clean levels, correct pan, and no latency artifacts. Once satisfied, record full takes and label tracks clearly. Consolidate and back up the project. If you run into problems, check cables first, then confirm drivers and sample rate alignment between mixer and Logic. If the Mac sees multiple devices, create an aggregate device in Audio MIDI setup and select it in Logic. That usually fixes channel routing or sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.